I walk into Al's apartment and look at what's on the TV. Trying to make my own wigs.
Marbles.
Yeah. Hey guys. So this is like a really exciting day for us.
It's a scary day for us. Okay, this is a little more of a serious vlog.
Okay, it's not serious yet. Like we don't know if it's that serious yet. But for right now, we have one day left. Like we can have fun with it, you know?
Hurricane Dorian is about to hit our beautiful Miami shores.
Yeah, we are currently on like hurricane watch and a state of emergency.
Yeah, we're in a state of emergency, so we're gonna take you guys with us to prep for our little hurricane adventure today. You know. Literally, look at outside. Look at this. There is a storm a-brewing up there.
It looks so pretty.
No, like there's
like
a
Dorian's
storm
coming.
a-brewing. I just got my nails done. Special for you,
Nails for Dorian.
Special for you, Dory. Guys, I got a dip manicure today.
Oh, she fancy.
Yeah, I'm fancy like that. So I just got a little dip manicure for Dory. Oh, look at this lighting. Come on, Dorian.
Dorian's bringing up.
Okay, but in all seriousness, like me and Kenz are just like really sarcastic, and like we make.
It's also because we're like escaping.
Yeah, like we make like inappropriate jokes in uncomfortable situations. So like this is really serious.
Guys, I literally did a photo shoot today, and like if you see, I literally still have orange.
You still have your orange?
Like,
she did a little Euphoria photo shoot. Wait, can we do Euphoria makeup for tonight?
Are you going to Trey Songz? I'm
gonna go to Grove first, and then I'll meet you at Trey Songz after. Sky is gonna come pick us up. Is your camera charged?
It's like 80%.
Wow. Cool. I have to face it. My parents this whole time were like, "You're not coming home, like you're fine, just stay." And now my mom called me and she was like, "I'm booking you a flight." I was like, okay. So I think I'm gonna go to Columbus, Ohio and go visit my little bro at Ohio State. I'm gonna stock up just in case I stay. She's going to Puerto Rico.
Guys.
She don't got time for the hurricane.
Hurricane Dorian.
Who is she?
Literally cannot mess with me, even on its best day. Why are we going to Publix?
For the cake! How many times do I have to tell you?
We're not
recording.
Wait. We're not going for water. That's not our priority. She goes, the priority is to see if they have the cake.
Come on, guys.
Sarah's here again. But yeah, we're going to Publix.
Wait, you literally asked me why we're going to Publix like 5 times.
I had to record.
Oh my god, he's in my math class. Wait, those are the boys. Wait.
Oh my god! Guys! We're filming a YouTube!
Oh my god, I love your channel so much. I just fangirled up. Ladies, you can still hit me up. It's just it was a little bit of a feminine moment, but
we love to see it.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Wait, also, I'm so sad. I had to drop out of my math class.
You left?
You watched?
No.
We watched videos. I met them before at UMTV.
I love you though.
Dude, that's how we
Wait,
I'm gonna snap you.
Yeah, wait, I'll take it off. Okay.
Not okay.
Guys. I'm screaming.
We're gonna make a Dorian.
Wait, I don't think they have them. Can you please ask?
Yeah. We have that picture.
Wait, did you see it?
Hi, do you guys have the hurricane cakes?
We sold out.
They're sold out?
Yes, it was so funny.
Can they make another one?
We asked them to custom make.
Can we custom make it?
Okay, yeah, can we custom make one right now?
There's no Dorian cakes. But we can get one of these and just pipe it on there.
Yeah, why don't we make it?
Draw the hurricane.
Do you guys like do like custom made like cookie cakes? Like, can you ice it back there?
No, I
Oh, so like.
Show the picture. With what time do we have to like literally learn how to make a cookie cake?
Look how bad it is.
Okay, so what do we get? Guys, like what hurricane essentials do we
I don't
need?
know, you can...
Get canned food. I think peaches would be good. You have to have canned food.
You need canned peaches?
And like, what meals do you eat that are canned? Spam. We need like a hurricane section.
Oh.
All right, Sarah the photographer.
I think I found my calling. I think this is it, my career goal.
Seriously, we need to take this seriously. There's a hurricane coming. Okay, so
Okay, so we definitely need ice because we got what are those things called? A cooler.
wait, where are we gonna put the ice in if the power goes out?
A cooler.
Oh.
It's kind of crazy in here right now. Wait,
It's literally
psycho in here right now. Why is there so many people? Can I get iced tea? Well, boom.
Iced tea.
This is essential.
But there's no water, so we have to get really
So iced tea.
ice and melted.
Unsweetened. Do you like unsweetened? This is basically water.
Another one, okay. Oh, we're gonna go back for a while. Bagels for bread. LaCroix can double as water. Sarah, are you getting me too?
apples in there.
Yeah.
Fruits. Gotta get your nutrients in.
See, we already have drinks. We need like food.
Wow.
Like how?
Nobody taught us how to prepare for this. They don't teach us.
So we're
this
gonna
in high
teach you
school.
guys how to prepare for a hurricane. I'm over preparing. I'm ready to go. Okay, so are we done shopping?
Yeah.
Guys, and this is all you need for your hurricane.
There you have it, folks.
Iced tea and a bagel.
I'm just overwhelmed that it's giving me like a brain
Wait, I'm
block.
really happy I'm not staying here. I don't know what I would buy. I believe me. What did I eat during Sandy? Tonight, we're looking for the hurricane.
Publix number
See
2.
the
What? What hurricane?
See the lightning?
No. All right, so this is Publix number 2. Hopefully this Publix has the hurricane cake. If not, then we just did a lot of driving for nothing. I'll be really upset if there's no hurricane cake. I don't know. I got a good feeling about this
It looks
one.
so dark. Or like orange. I don't know.
I got a good feeling, guys. Where's the bakery? No? Dang it. I wonder which... I think we're done here.
Oh.
Okay, now what? I have to go home and rest.